In this lesson, we are looking at ratio tables. Remember, two ratios that describe the same relationship are equivalent ratios. You can organize equivalent ratios into tables. For the first example, we are going to use addition to find the missing numbers. If I look at the top row of cups, I can see that 1 plus 1 is 2, and I can continue that pattern by adding 2 plus 1 for 3. On the bottom, my rule will be plus 3, so 3 plus 3 is 6. More often, we use multiplication and division to find the missing values. If I look at the example with cats and dogs, I'm going to take 5 times 2 to get 10, 10 times 3 to get 30. Whatever I do on the bottom, I do the same thing to the top and vice versa, so we have an 8. Let's look at our 3 examples. The first example is a ratio comparing girls to boys. For every 4 girls, there are 3 boys. So if I look at the boys, my next value is a 6. What do I do to 3 to make the 6? Times 2. 3 times 2 is 6. So then I also have to take the girls times 2 to keep the ratio equivalent. That would give me, for every 8 girls, are 6 boys. Now I'm still going to use my original ratio to figure out what's missing for the boys again. What times 4 gives me 12? Well, that's times 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. My 3 ratios are 4 to 3, 8 to 6, and 12 to 9. My next example is cars to trucks. For every 2 trucks, there are 5 cars. Again, I need to figure out what I'm doing to 5 to make 10. Times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. And then what am I doing to 2 to make the 6? Times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. For every 6 trucks, there are 15 cars is equivalent to every 2 trucks, there are 5 cars. Example 3 is salt and flour with a ratio of 3 to 4. What do I do to 3 to make a 9? Times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. What do I do to 4 to make 48? Times 12. So 3 times 12, 36. Word problems. For every 3 tickets Maya sells, Justin sells 4. So if Maya sells 12 tickets, I can set my ratio up as 3 over 4 equals 12 over something. What do I do to 3 to make 12? Times 4. So I have to do the same thing to Justin's 4. 4 times 4, Justin sells 16 tickets.